Now we are going to see how we can navigate between screen. The navigation prop is passed into the every screen component in the native stack navigator. When we use the navigation prop, we can call navigate function with the name of the route which we want to navigate. For example, if we want to navigate a screen name like profile, so we can write a syntax navigation dot navigate, and inside the navigate function we can pass the component name, that is a profile. This will work only when screen name is defined in the navigator. Let's start by demonstrating the navigation between screen in the code. Earlier we created stack navigator with two different screens. Now we want to navigate to profile screen from here, that is home screen. First of all, let's go to the home screen, and I'd like to do is place a button in this component, and when we click on the button it will navigate to the profile page or profile screen. So let's import button from React Native. And let's create that button here, and win button, and we need to pass a title prop in the button. Title like go to profile page or profile, or only profile. Go to the profile. Now we should see that the button, but when we click on the button it will nothing happen. So we need to create on press handler inside the button component. On press handler, this on press handler requires a function, so we need to add one arrow based function inside on press. Now what we want to do is to navigate profile screen when the button clicks. As I already mentioned, the navigation prop is passed into the every screen rendered by native stack navigator. So we can take navigation prop into this home component. Now we can use navigation inside the function. Now we want to navigate profile page, so we can use navigation here. To render another screen we need to call navigate function, then we use the method navigate and passes a string which include the name of the route which we want to navigate. So here is profile, we want to say. When we click to go profile page, it will navigate to a profile page, and there is an arrow button to back to our screen, home screen. When we click it again rendered our home page. It again render profile page. This is how we will navigate between these different screens. After navigating between different screens, now we are passing parameter to the routes. Pass parameter to the route by putting them in an object as a second parameter to the navigation.navigator function. For example, navigation.navigate, the first parameter is the screen name, that is a component route name, and the second parameter is the object, in which object we can pass key value pair as a parameters. The route prop also pass in an every screen component like navigation prop, which helps to read params in the screen, like param object is equal to route.params. let's demonstrating the example for this. As we are navigating to the profile by clicking this button, but now we want to pass parameters with clicking this button. And how will we can do it? As we see syntax, navigation.navigate, and first parameter is a component name that is we already given, and in the second parameter we want to give an object which is key value pair, in which we want to pass name, like for example I will pass John and age will 20. I am passing these two parameters inside this profile profile screen. Now when I am clicking this profile, the parameter pass, but it will not render because we are not using anything parameters here. Now as route parameter is also passed in every component, so we take route parameter in the props by destructuring the props, and create a object, create a variable like a profile object which will take route dot params, means parameters inside the route. Now we will change our text here, like hi I am, and we will call our profile object dot name, and I am profile object dot age, years old. This is rendered I am, the name which is passed by this screen in the route, that is profile object dot name, that is here John, which will pass from the home screen, and I am 20 years old because we pass John and 20 as a parameter. If we change our parameters here by 20 to 22, and we will again navigate from home screen to profile screen, then it will again change I am John and I am 22 years old.